Well, good morning, everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing? Some of you might have expected to see some pumpkin fabric. As I said, I was looking at some pumpkin fabric that came in that Missouri Star box. And I had it up and I just put it down because I was looking in my room this morning. I had this out. It was actually kind of laying as the cover of my scanning cut, and I thought, this was really pretty. And this fabric was some that I bought. It was Kaufman from years ago. It's the Holiday Flourish. um, and I bought this at Missouri Star when I went there. Anyway, I had tried out my wedge dye, and it was the only time I've used the wedge dye. And I made this with some leftover scraps that I had of my yardage, because I'd made a bunch of like American Girl, like pleated skirts, and sold them for Christmas and stuff like that. And now I wish I had all of this fabric back because I love it. Anyway, I thought, I've had this here and I thought I would make a table runner out of it, and it's sitting here. So instead of starting another project, I can quickly do this. And on the sides here, I'm going to put, on either end, and then, across the top and bottom. And this was, I think, I think I picked this up at Walmart when they had it on clearance one time, but I liked it. And I thought it would look good with some, certain things. And I think I am actually going to use this as the backing as well. And I'm just getting it pressed up. I'm going to get, these sewn on the sides and everything. And then I'm going to try to figure out how I'm going to do it. Right now, I'm thinking that I might just sew on either sides of these lines. My sewing lines, I'm not sure. I don't think this is a project that I'm going to put on the long arm. Although I might, because I need the practice. You know what I mean? Um, but I think this is a little bit of a small project for that. I think I can handle it on my sewing machine. But I think I'm going to get these pressed up and start sewing. I hope you are having a wonderful day and that your projects are coming out the way you expect them to. I mean, are you doing holiday stuff yet? Me? I'm just trying to get on top of it. I've got, I don't know how many quilt tops in here that I'm trying to determine if I'm going to quilt, because they were early on. And they're not that good, but it does show my quilting progression. I don't know. I don't know. Well, I'm going to get these sewed on and I'll be back. Okay, so I have the two sides sewn on now. And what I realized, even though this was a 2.5-inch strip, because these are wedges, it would have been kind of wedged in there. So I am having to trim this off to make this a straight edge over here. And I'm putting it all on like the same so that I know it's the same. And it looks like it's all squared up. At least we're going with it that way. So now I'm going to take my, sorry about that, the long star strips and sew it on here. I'm not going to make you watch me do that, but that's the progress right now. So I've got these sides sewn on now, and I'm just going to go do the quick press. I'm going to have to give this thing a wash when I am done. I'll have to get my iron heated up again. then I'll have to get a piece of my scrap batting and cut it down. But this is going to be finished soon, I think. Anyway, I'm going to pause it here because I have to find my batting. Well, so far I went in and around all this, just, stitched it all the way. So all that's left now, I will be trimming it up and applying some binding. I'm going to try to see if I have a red that matches this. I don't think I do, because I don't have any, or I can't say any, I don't have many true reds. I may just end up using this silver star fabric. I don't know. I've got plenty of it. But that's the progress thus far. Well, wouldn't you know it, I have got my corners. I marked them. They look really good. I cut the fabric and it's the perfect length and it's twisted. I mean, how long is it going to take me to get this perfected? And, I maybe before I sew it again, because the first time I sewed it, I had one on this side and one on this side. So I had to take that out and I got this fixed and I thought I had it right, but I guess I didn't. I might have to hold my mouth different or something. But that's the story of this. But the binding is going on. Well, I finally got it. How many times do you think it took me to get this? 5. Yep. Anyway, so I will get this all pressed open and put my binding clips on there, and it'll be done before I know it. And it's done. Sorry about that. My cord is there. It's on there. It is done. I am just so happy. I need to wash it now because it got a little dirt, the Oklahoma red dirt on it. But it's done. Now, my corners aren't perfect, but they're better than they used to be. I mean, that's not too bad, I don't think. I don't know. I'm having fun, and that's all that matters. So, another project is in the books. I'll see you later. Bye.